Hello friends! I thought I would come to you and show you a bit of a scrapbook haul that I got. I ordered a few things from scrapbook.com and paid almost the same amount on duties, so that was not fun. Got myself a color blend tri-blend marker. I don't have a lot of reds in my collection, so that'll be handy. Some new blenders. I got a small doily die, very small doily die. That was a bit bigger than that, but my bad. That'll come in handy, especially for some of the embellishments I have planned. I was kind of in not Project Life. I was in December daily mode when I got some of these. So I have the dies for these, but I didn't have anything to go with them. So when I was cutting them out, it was just basically a circle with little spikes on it. So you couldn't really tell what the dies were supposed to be. So I figured I'd get these, complete the set. I just got one package of stickers to go with my DIY December Daily Kit 2021. I think these were, these were free. I'll open them on camera so you can see what's in here. Sorry if the glare from everything is throwing the camera off. It's late in the day here, so the lighting in this room is not the greatest. So this was the family pocket cards, the scrapbook.com ones. Probably show them to you the right way. I like the muted colors of these. They're really pretty. Great for fall. Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, totally Thanksgiving. So there's the 4x6s. And then we've got some 3x4s. Oh yeah, these are definitely going to get used shortly. I love these like little simple black and white cards. I wish they made more of them. That one might actually work for my December daily. We'll see. There's another black and white one. Nice. And then I got a scrapbook.com album. I use post-bound albums, or I used to. I'm trying to transition into the D-ring binders, but it's so expensive, and especially with shipping and duties and everything, to get these kinds of things to Canada is a bit of a shock to the price, shocking prices. So next time I think I'll make it a little bit more worthwhile, because the box wasn't even half full. I apologize for the rustling wrapper. So this album is going to replace my current wedding album. And yeah, it's just a D-ring, pretty simple D-ring binder. I've noticed that the D-ring binders actually hold a lot of pages. So even though it's going to be like as wide on the shelf, it'll actually hold more layouts. So where the post-bound ones, I'm sure we've all had the issue where like you put the post-bound album in your shelf and it's like really chunky at this end and it's really narrow at this end. So I'm hoping to alleviate some stress on my bookshelf and maybe even create some space. So we'll see. Maybe that'll be something I can do on camera, but I realized I don't have not great planning. I don't have any just regular 12x12 sheet protectors, so I might have to repurpose the ones from the post-bound album. We'll see how we go. I think I could probably get some at Michael's. I don't think I would buy them from scrapbook.com just because I don't want to be hit with the fees again. But yeah, that's the haul for today. It's a pretty small one, but I didn't have a lot of Christmas things in mind. when I bought this. It was just kind of supplementing some of the things that I knew I was missing. So that's it for today, folks. Thanks very much for coming to hang out, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.